This channel made over $700 in the last month, and they even haven't uploaded a video since 3 months. If we take a look at their oldest video, it was uploaded only 1 year ago. And in just 1 year, this channel crossed over 1 million subscribers. Lately, the person behind Far From Weak is getting a lot of hate, but that's not our today's topic. I have no motive of spreading hate or starting a controversy, so we will stay professional, and in today's video, I will cover each and everything from starting a channel to earning good money, avoiding copyright strikes, getting copyright-free clips. I know many of you would have clicked off by now, but for those who stayed, hats off to you guys. Your hard work will pay off, and I won't disappoint you. I have put my everything in this course, and here is a sample of what we would be creating today, so let's kick the nuggets.
Now that you know why you want to quit, it's time to set some clear goals. What do you want to achieve by breaking this habit? Maybe you want to be able to run a mile without getting out of breath, or perhaps you want to save money by cutting out that daily coffee habit. Write down.
First of all, we need a name for our channel. We will use our old buddy ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. I will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me 2 words, unique YouTube channel names in self-improvement niche, and use easy English words. Okay, so now we have plenty of names here. We will simply choose any name for our channel, then simply we will open YouTube, and now by clicking on the profile logo, you can simply create a channel. Click on create a channel and just type the generated name here and your channel is ready. Guys, now we will create a logo and banner for our channel because we want to give our channel a professional look, but if you don't want to see this part, you can skip this part from the timestamps in the description. So now for channel logo, let's go to Leonardo AI. What I simply do for my every channel is I look for images on the home page, and if I like any image, I simply download it. Now, if you are thinking, won't we get copyright? So guys, you can trust me, you will never get any copyright. The logo I currently have on my channel was also downloaded from these random images. These are basically Creative Commons Zero images, so anyone can use them even for commercial purposes. So here I found this image similar to our niche, so let's just download it. And now let's go back to YouTube. Now click on the icon here and then go to YouTube Studio. Now from left side scroll down and click on customization and click on it. Then after this page opens, simply click on the branding option and then click on this upload button and upload your logo here, and your logo part is done here. Okay guys, now search for IDEOGRAM AI on Google and open up the first website, and then just create a free account. Then on this page, simply we will write this prompt here. Don't worry, I will provide you all the prompts in the description. Okay guys, so now we will simply select 16:9 and then click on generate. Guys, just wait for a few seconds, and when the images are generated, click on the image you like. And here you can see the quality of the image. It's absolutely amazing. That's why we choose IDEOGRAM for our banner making. It's amazing, right? And now to download the image, click on these 3 dots and simply download it. Now let's edit our banner in Canva. When you open Canva, simply find out the YouTube banner option, click on it, and now to make it easy, simply click on any random template, free or paid, doesn't matter. Then what you need to do is click on the background like this and click on this dustbin icon. Now click on upload button from left bar and upload the generated image just like this. Now click on it and adjust it on full screen. Now right click on the screen, and if you are on mobile, search for layers option and then just send the image to the back. Now we will remove all the unwanted objects, and then we will simply type our channel name here and adjust it like this. Now I will add some graphics in the image, like a wolf logo would be suitable. I will simply change its color into white so that it is visible, and done. Now we will just export our logo. Now go back to your YouTube Studio. Now we will click on the second upload option, and simply I will upload my banner here, and that's it. Our channel branding is complete. Simply now click on publish to publish the results, and done. Now let me show you first how our channel looks like. Well, my friends, we just did basic branding, and still it looks better than most of the channels, right? If you are still here, trust me, your hard work will pay off one day. Just don't give up. Okay buddies, so now come the best part. Let's get our script. Guys, I know that ChatGPT sucks in writing scripts, but the only reason is because you don't know how to give a professional command. So to get realistic script from ChatGPT, we will ask ChatGPT to provide me a well-written YouTube video script on how to quit bad habits. Start straight from the pain point and don't provide additional context like speaker 1 or characters. Just make it like a person is telling something. Provide in the form of headings and paragraphs explaining the headings. Use only easy and simple English. By typing this prompt, ChatGPT will provide you a well-written script without those goofy, horrible words that ChatGPT mostly use. Boom guys, here we have our script. Now I would strongly suggest you to do a little bit change in the script. Use your creativity and rewrite few lines or sentences that you think can be written better than they actually are. Now again, write a prompt. Provide me prompts of images related to my script. so that I can generate images in Leonardo AI. Like this ChatGPT will give you prompts, you just need to copy each prompt and paste in Leonardo AI and generate your images. You can do this by yourselves, right? This was one way of getting clips for our video. I will tell another way later in this video. Okay guys, so now as you see the script is too long, I can't use the whole script as it will consume a lot of time, so I will simply take a small portion to show you how it works and now open 11 Labs. Guys, as I have given away this grand course for free, if any of you wants to do me a favor, you will have the link of 11 Labs in the description. If you want to purchase a subscription of 11 Labs, purchase it through the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I will get a little commission for every purchase. So, getting back to the topic, you can now just paste your script here. And now the most important thing is for self-improvement niche, we want a masculine and deep voice. So for that, go to voices and then voice library. Here you will find tons of voices. You don't need to listen every voice. You see there is a label in front of every voice. You can listen to the voices that have this deep label and just simply add the voice. It's simple. Now just go back and select the added voice and generate your script. This step was pretty simple, that's why I recommend 11 Labs. It's cheap, simple, and best. Now comes the best part, the visuals. Guys, for clips, go to YouTube and search for no copyright gameplay. This channel uploads highly realistic gameplay footages, and you can use these footages in your monetizable videos. Just paste their channel link in your description. Let me show you something. Take a look at this gameplay video. It is of Kratos. It is highly realistic and story type. I use footage from this channel and I never got any problem. Just download any video you want to using online. Video downloading tool, and that's it. Now let's prepare the dish in our editing software. I will import everything quickly. Simply just place the voiceover on the timeline and remove the unwanted silent parts to keep up the fast pace. Now we will simply place all the clips on the timeline. First things first, mute the original audio of all the clips, then keep the interesting parts from the clips and remove the rest. I was once myself a subscriber of Far From Weak, and what I saw in his almost every video is that he used visuals only to express what he was saying. What you don't understand here is not everything needs to be fancy. Yes, you heard it right, simplicity is the key. Your main focus should be on what message you are trying to give to your audience. As we also have images in our editing, so we will add animation on the images only. So now we will add simple this black fade transition to every clip. Now go to effects and then come to lens effects and drag and drop this vignette effect and stretch it on the complete timeline. Now go to filters and then search for clear to filter and then drag and drop this filter on the complete timeline. Now we will just add captions. CapCut has a feature that creates auto captions in one click. Always remember that not every video needs heavy editing. Now when the captions are ready, go to animations, then go to captions. Now select any animation you like, and I will strongly recommend this one. Now we will change the font of our captions, and now as we know, Far From Weak uses red captions as a part of his channel's branding. You can choose any color you like according to your channel's branding. For instance, I will select yellow color. Now to make the captions visually appealing, I will add some stroke effect and now simply adjust the captions on the screen. If needed, increase the caption size, and that's enough of editing. Now for background music. You can download from Pixabay. There are many free musics available. I will simply use a music I have with me, and that's it. Our editing is done. Let's export the video. Let's see the final results.
First things first, let's talk about why you want to quit. What's the pain point that's pushing you to make a change? Maybe it's the guilt you feel after indulging in your habit, or perhaps it's the impact it's having on your health or relationships. Whatever it is, acknowledge it. Understand that you deserve better and you have the power to make a change. Setting clear goals. Now that you know why you want to quit, it's time to set some clear goals. What do you want to achieve by breaking this habit? Maybe you want to be able to run a mile without getting out of breath, or perhaps you want to save money by cutting out that daily coffee habit. Write down your goals and keep them somewhere you'll see them every day.
Oh my god guys, it was even better than I expected. I am going to give this template for free to the first mail I will receive saying YouTube automation template. My email will be in the description. You might be thinking, but how did Far From Weak went viral that fast? So the secret is
nothing. Huh? You heard me. Nothing. There is no secret ingredient.
Yes, you heard it right. You may be confused by now that there must be a secret or shortcut or any formula. Guys, trust me, there is no secret or any formula to go viral. Yes, there are some strategies that you can learn to increase your chances of going viral. You can do that by click on the video popping on the I button in the top right corner. But guys, protect yourselves from scams, okay? I have been on YouTube for 5 years, and I know that there is no secret. There is only one way: smart work and patience. Focus on your content, and your only goal should be to focus on CTR and audience retention, because that's the only thing YouTube wants from you. Okay, so now let's upload the video with SEO. We will simply write the title of the video like our video was about how to quit bad habits, so I will just write how to break the cycle of bad habits permanently. Now in the description, all you need to do is explain or summarize your title, like I will simply write, if you are also struggling with your bad habits like many other people out there, then this video is only for you. In the video, I will tell you how you can break the chain of your bad habits permanently once and for all, so make sure you don't miss any part of the video. Now, I will simply write hashtags related to my video. Only 3 hashtags are more than enough, like 1 hashtag for our niche self-improvement, 2nd hashtag we will take like masculinity, and 3rd hashtag would be motivation. Now, if we scroll down, we will see tags option. Now we will go to Google and search for rapid tags, then simply click on the first website. Now copy-paste your video title here, and it will provide you all the popular and trending tags. For your video, simply copy up the tags from here and paste them all in the tags section like this. That's it. Now simply scroll down and select category. For instance, our category is educational. That's it. SEO part is done. Now let's talk about ways of monetization. As I picked an educational niche for you, the RPM will be amazingly high, like $5 per 1,000 views, maybe even more than that. And also you can include affiliate links in your video description so that every time someone buys a product through your link, you will receive a commission, and you can do affiliate marketing from your first video. You don't need to be monetized. Guys, that's how easy it is. I revealed everything to you. It took me a lot of efforts to make this video, so make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to check my other videos.